What if I told you that just 10 push-ups a day could spark a transformation you'd barely believe? Imagine stronger arms, a defined chest, and a toned core, all from just a few minutes each day. In today's video, we're diving deep into the power of 10 push-ups and how they can completely change your body. Stay tuned to see why consistency is key and how something so simple can yield jaw-dropping results. Push-ups are one of the simplest exercises around. No fancy equipment needed, no gym membership required. All you need is a little bit of floor space and you're set. But don't let the simplicity fool you. When done consistently, this exercise can be a game changer. Today, let's break down how just 10 push-ups every day can transform your strength, health, and appearance. What push-ups do for your body. Push-ups are often called a compound exercise. That means they don't just work one part of your body, they hit several muscle groups all at once. Each push-up engages your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core and lower back to stabilize you. 1. Chest and shoulders. With each push-up, your chest and shoulders take on the weight of your body, building strength and definition over time. This is what gives that chiseled look. 2. Triceps. Your triceps, located on the back of your arms, work hard to extend your arms in each rep. Over time, this will make your arms look stronger and more toned. 3. Core and stability. Push-ups might seem like an arm exercise, but they do wonders for your core. By holding your body steady, you're strengthening your abs and lower back, giving you a stronger midsection. The power of consistency. So, what makes doing just 10 push-ups a day so powerful? The secret is in the consistency. Doing something every day, even if it's small, creates lasting change. Here's how consistency with push-ups transforms your body over time. 1. Muscle endurance and strength. By doing 10 push-ups every day, your muscles get used to the movement. This builds endurance, making it easier to handle more reps or more challenging exercises down the road. 2. Visible muscle tone. After a few weeks, you'll notice that your chest, arms, and shoulders look more toned. Consistent push-ups build muscle definition, even with just a small number each day. 3. Progressive challenge. Starting with 10 push-ups might be tough at first, but after a while you'll find yourself wanting to do more. This daily practice naturally pushes you to keep improving. The science behind 10 push-ups. You might wonder, why only 10 push-ups? Why not more? Well, there's science backing up why even small daily exercises can make a big impact. 1. Muscle growth and recovery. Every time you do a push-up, tiny tears happen in your muscle fibers. As these fibers repair, they grow back stronger. With 10 push-ups daily, you're creating a steady cycle of mild growth and recovery, building lean muscle. 2. Boosts metabolism. Push-ups activate major muscle groups, which means they boost your metabolism. Even doing just 10 a day can slightly increase your resting metabolic rate, helping your body burn more calories. 3. Strengthens joints and bones. Your wrists, elbows, and shoulders benefit from daily push-ups too. The consistent pressure helps strengthen joints, and bones grow denser under this kind of stress, making them stronger and more resilient. Benefits beyond the muscles. There's more to push-ups than just looking good. This exercise has some amazing health benefits that extend far beyond the muscles. 1. Improved heart health. Push-ups get your heart pumping, which is great for cardiovascular health. Doing 10 a day may be small, but it's still movement, and every bit counts for your heart. 2. Reduces stress. Exercise releases feel-good hormones like endorphins. These chemicals help reduce stress and improve mood, making you feel energized and positive. 3. Better flexibility. Push-ups require movement at your shoulders, wrists, and elbows. Over time, this improves flexibility in these areas, helping you stay agile and reduce injury risk. How to get started and stay motivated. So you're ready to start your push-up journey. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated and get the most out of your new daily routine. 1. Start slow. Build gradually. If 10 push-ups feel too challenging at first, start with fewer reps and build up over time. You'll soon find your strength improving. 2. Set small goals. Challenge yourself to complete 10 push-ups every day for a week. Then, aim for a month. Small, achievable goals keep you motivated. 3. Track your progress. Take a picture or jot down how you feel each week. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. 4. Find a push-up buddy. Doing this with a friend can make it more enjoyable. A little friendly competition and encouragement can help you both stay consistent. To recap, doing just 10 push-ups every day may seem small, but it can lead to amazing changes in your body. You'll build stronger arms, a toned chest, and a firmer core, all while boosting heart health, reducing stress, and building mental discipline. The key? Consistency. Stick with it, and watch your body transform over time. Ready to give it a shot? Join the challenge and start doing 10 push-ups a day. Comment below and let us know how it's going. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness tips and tricks. Let's transform together.